Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can set up free VPN in Windows 11. Simply look for VPN settings. At the top, click on Add VPN. Now set the VPN provider to Windows default. Give your connection a name. Now open your browser and simply search for VPN book. Go to this website and click here. Now you can copy any of the server name from here and paste it here, and finally click on save. Now click on connect and it will ask for username and password. Simply go back to the website and at the bottom you will see the username and password. You cannot copy these things, so you have to manually type the username and password. Once you type them, simply click on OK and now wait for few seconds. That's it, you will get successfully connected to the VPN network. Thanks for watching, keep supporting the channel. Thank you.